Most people can agree on the benefits of wind energy. It's good for the environment, it lessens our dependence on foreign countries, and it reduces energy costs. But there are complaints about windmills. The usual issues: appearance, noise, and the danger to birds. Windtamer turbines address these valid concerns. Windtamer turbines have 6 short blades that are surrounded by a patented diffuser system. First, the wind pushes the blades to start rotating. Then, the diffuser separates the air, creating 2 vacuums, one behind the blades and another behind the turbine. The vacuum pulls the air through and turns the rotors faster. Windtamer had the turbine independently tested here in Perry, New York. The test showed that Windtamer turbines produce more than double the energy of conventional turbines. Now let's address those concerns. First, appearance. Conventional turbines dominate the landscape. Windtamer turbines are usually installed at about a height of a flagpole. Second, noise. Conventional turbines experience high tip speeds that cause an annoying hum. Because of their short blades, Windtamer turbines are nearly silent. You can have a picnic near a Windtamer turbine and not be bothered by the noise. Finally, birds. Because the Windtamer blades are housed, birds view them as a solid object and do not fly into them. For more information about Windtamer turbines, visit windtamerturbines.com. Windtamer, bringing wind power down to earth.